May brings warmer weather and maybe the desire to drop a few pounds so that you feel a little bit more comfortable in the warmer weather. I have just the recipe today to help support you in doing just that. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we get together every week in the kitchen and we create healthy and delicious recipes using real food and real supplements that help give you more energy and vitality and radiance. So today we're going to be making a fat-burning matcha smoothie. To your blender, let's begin by adding 1 cup of chopped up cucumber that has a high water content to help keep you hydrated. It's also full of fiber, which will help keep you full, and it's so good for your digestion. Next, we have 1 cup of either chopped up spinach or kale. Kale will definitely have a stronger flavor than spinach, but both are rich in this wonderful digestive fiber that feeds your good gut buddies. So the more that you can feed them and starve off the bad ones that are usually craving sugar and salt, the happier you're going to be, the better you're going to feel, and definitely the lighter you will become. 1.5 teaspoons of matcha powder. This contains a powerful antioxidant that acts as a fat blocker, so it may slow down and even stop the growth of fat cells. That's pretty incredible. It also speeds up your metabolism, giving you more energy. 1 tablespoon of ground up flaxseed, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that helps keep you feeling full. It also contains a compound that helps in the functioning of cells in burning fat. So good. You could also substitute this with olive oil, MCT oil, and even coconut oil. All of those are really great. The juice of 1/2 of a lemon for digestive support. This next ingredient is optional and just for taste. I'm going to add in 1/2 of a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Next, I'm going to add in some unsweetened nut milk, or you could use water. Just make sure that if you're using a milk, it's unsweetened, because if it has that added sugar, that is really the culprit for weight gain. Okay, so it just depends on how thick you like your smoothie to be. Maybe start off with 3/4 of a cup, blend it up. If you want it thinner, add in some more milk or water. If you want it thicker, just add in some ice cubes. Blend up all of your ingredients really well. Okay, we are ready to give this smoothie a taste. That is a very green smoothie. It's not super sweet, which is fine. But if you would like it sweeter, you could add in 1/2 of a frozen banana. That would also make it thicker. You could add in a little bit of stevia. If you would like some spices, add in some cinnamon or some cayenne pepper. Some grated ginger root would be awesome. Even pure vanilla extract would work. So this is a really nice, refreshing green smoothie that doesn't have a really strong taste. So it's really nice as it stands. Spice it up if you want, sweet it up if you want. Always make these recipes work for you, and give this one a try. If you are interested in receiving support in looking and feeling your best health-wise, I'm an integrative nutrition health coach, and I would be honored to help you and support you. If you'd like to find out more, click the link below. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.